Hello guys, thanks for watching my second video. The last video we installed the VirtualBox and create the VM for the CentOS 9. This was the name for the VM. So now we're going to restart this VM. So in this screen, you're going to log in. You can click and you can log in with the Smith user, or if you want to log in with the different user, if it's not listed here, you just say not listed. Like I just want to log in with the root and password. And here you can go log in your terminal, or you can go to activities and log in with the terminal, and this is the show other apps as well, it will show you. So we'll go back to terminal, open the terminal, and we say the current user, who am I, and the current working directory is pwd. So we are in the root user and the working directory is root. So if now we will say exit, and if you want to log off, you just click here these three network computer sign and log out, and from here you can log out from this session. And from here you can log in with different user Smith. You can log in with the different user. So this is what you will get. So if I go to terminal again, so who am I, pwd, so I can see the user is Smith, and the current working directory for Smith is /home and /Smith. So this is the home directory for the Smith. So now I will show you. So where in the enterprise environment, you always connect with the remote tool you use, which is SSH, or like in Windows environment, when you are using connecting with any server, you just do RDP. So here we're going to see how we can install the, so for this Linux environment or Unix environment or Red Hat or any flavor like this, we just go SSH. So we need to download the putty. So we'll just leave it as is, just minimize and go to putty. In the Google, we just search the putty download for Windows. We click download this first link, putty.org, and download putty. Click here, and from here we just download the 64-bit MSI Windows installer. So once we click this, it will download the putty. We go to download folder. It's very small software. You just double click and you can install. I already installed, I have in my system, so let's reinstall again. So we just press run, and next, and the putty will install inside the C:\program files putty. So next, install, uncheck this, finish. So we can search from here putty and double click, single click, sorry. So here you can see I already, it's same thing, nothing changed, same, my all the connection are here. Just I will delete all. Okay, so now I need to SSH my CentOS server. So what I need to do is I will just open the my VM. Here I'm going to clear the screen. I'll say I will check for the IP if config. So the IP assigned to network card is 10.0.0.29. So I will just go and call the putty and enter the 10.0.0.29, and the port will be 22 for the SSH. And if you want to change some other like appearance, if I want to change the font size, so press the change, and I'll just make 18 font size and go back to the session, and I will save this session. So I will say CentOS 9 underscore node 2. So if we look at here, CentOS node 2 is running. I will say save, double click. Here I can log in with my Smith username and the password. So I'm here, so I log in. So I have a big screen now. I can do pwd current working directory, who am I, and how many sessions I log in connected with this. So this is all I can see, the session I'm logging. So this is you can use the putty and have a full big screen instead of the graphic screen is not so big. So we can make it bigger. If I go change display settings, and from here you can change the display as well. So change and you can make it bigger. So this is how you can, I'll just revert. So this is how you can make the bigger GUI screen, or you can log in with the putty through SSH. You can connect with the server. So this is the one way I can exit from here. And there is a second tool you can use, which is MobaXtrem. This is what I like in here. I will show you. So you just go and say MobaXtrem, search, and you go to download, and you can download this free software. So we'll just go download, and it's a portable or installer. Just go portable, double click. So I just twice click, so it's downloading twice. So no worries, we'll go back here. So this is the zip file. I'll just extract this file, and so this is the tool you can download. Double click. Once the MobaXtrem is open, we just connect, right click here, new session, or you can click new session here, click this SSH and the server IP, and the username I'll put Smith, press OK, accept, and here we put the actual user password. Do you want to save password? Yes. So it's already saved. So once you save the password, it will appear another window. It will ask you to enter the master password. That is can be a different, but you need to make little difficult password, a complex password, and you can save. That's your vault password. It's nothing to do with this username password. It can be different. So these are the two tools you can use to connect with your server. One is a MobaXtrem, and the second is you can use the putty for your lab environment. So if you want to make a bigger font size, you need to press Control, keep pressing the Control and press the plus sign. So you can keep pressing the plus sign, and while you are holding the Control button, then it will increase, and if you press the minus, it will decrease the font size, right? And on the left side, if you see here, you can see the if you go to favorites, you can see, let me delete this. Here you can see the session you created, and if I'm going to log out from this server, enter again, so I'm out from this session. So next time when you going now I'm going to close this, and once I'm opening again this tool, MobaXtrem, we'll just wait, and here you don't need to enter the password and IP again. You just right click and say execute, and it will take you directly to the Smith user, and from here you can control and plus sign, and it will increase the font size, and here you can see pwd time. So the rest of the commands we will learn in the new video. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe, like and share. Thank you.